Hello, people of Turkey. This will be the first time I give the Levels of Energy course, which I've been giving for the last 25 years, to the Turkish people. And I look forward to it. So what is this course about? It's about increasing your energy, increasing your emotional state, that means your confidence, your passion, your sense of joy and love and kindness, because that which is on the inside in your mind and your emotions determines your health, your finances, your relationships, and everything else. So this is improvement from within. You will learn what your level of consciousness is, what other people's levels of consciousness is, how to lift and elevate your level of consciousness authentically, and how to identify, detect, and release the troubling emotions, thoughts, and behaviors that are stopping you from being the best version of you, the highest version of yourself. And while the workshop we're doing is very deep, I make it playful, I make it easygoing, because in that kind of atmosphere you can learn the most. Okay? Much of the workshop is practice, play, and activity based, with just a little bit of lecturing from me. 20% lecturing, 80% experience, because this is about you increasing your energy instead of me increasing mine. Okay, but in the process, I increase mine too, of course, because what I put out is what I get back, and the same applies to you. So I look forward to playing with you, working with you, interacting with you very, very soon. Have a nice day.